Proceeding with the count. T0 is planned for 0205Z. Set count to start at 0201Z.
Roger. T0 is set for 0205 Zulu. Count will start 0201 Zulu.
This is Atlas Launch Control. We're now 1 minute away from picking up our count.
On internal power.
Spacecraft is confirmed to be on internal power. "30 seconds away from picking up our countdown at T-minus 4 minutes.
On my mark, time will be T-minus 4 minutes and counting.
LC, LD, do not pick up the count.
LC switch.
LC, this is LD on channel 1. Do not pick up the count.
Roger. Timer, do not release the hold.
Atlas Launch Control standing by to see why the count has not picked up.
LD, LC.
LD.
Clock was stopped.
I copy that. The SV was not go. Stand by for a ETRO.
Roger.
LC, comma 1.
Go.
Right, sir. We're going to have to do a complete recycle of the clock. There was not enough time to extend the hold.
Roger. Timer, LC.
Go ahead.
Picking up at step 1260. Reset countdown clock to T-minus 4 minutes and holding. Set initial hold to 10 minutes.
Roger, and work.
LC, LD, channel 1.
Go ahead.
So the SV reports some dropouts in their telemetry data. Will you initiate a anomaly discussion?
Roger. AC, LC on 1.
AC on 1.
LD has reported the hold call was for data dropouts of the SV. Please take this over to the anomaly net for discussion and provide recommendation.
Roger, going to 6.
This is Atlas Launch Control. The count did not pick up because of some data dropouts from the vehicle scene and the telemetry, and they're now discussing what was actually observed.
Go.
Roger, sir. Clock is reset. T-minus 4, holding for 10 minutes.
Roger.
Flight Control LC.
Go ahead.
Clear option 910, wait.
Roger. Option 910, wait, cleared.
Roger. Redline monitor. Perform redline monitor recycle.
Roger.
This is Atlas Launch Control, T-minus 4 minutes and holding. There is a discussion underway about why the telemetry dropouts from the launch vehicle are being seen, and what the options are for this going forward. They're still trying to determine what it was that was happening and why it was happening. And this discussion is going to be going on for a few minutes, it appears, still. But this was called by a member of the launch team, and it is a required hold to hold the count. If they are seeing any data dropouts like this, a hold is mandatory. So what happened is exactly what the procedure dictates, and we did not pick up the count. That is in the countdown rules. So right now they're trying to figure out why these hits were occurring, and what else, what would occur if we were to proceed. So it's still under discussion, and we'll keep you updated as we find out where and how these telemetry dropouts, these data hits as they're being called, are happening. T-minus 4 minutes and holding. This is Atlas Launch Control.
LD, LC, Net 1. This is LC on Net 1. Our recycle from attempting to pick up the clock is complete. All personnel maintain system readiness, and we will pick up with the pole at L7 once a new T0 is coordinated.
This is Atlas Launch Control, T-minus 4 minutes and holding. And we're here now with our assistant launch manager, NASA assistant launch manager for tonight's countdown, Omar Baez. And Omar is going to give us a discussion about what it is that's happened, why did we not pick up the count, and what's been going on to help try to get us back on track. Omar?
Sure. George, what we experience is the spacecraft has various forms of receiving data, data from the spacecraft to see how it's doing. One of the forms is through radio frequency, or RF as we